what makes Personiv unique will be the culture. There's just a special feeling when you're around with a Personiv employee here. And they said that, it feels like it's their second home.
The sixth floor is actually more of the graphics and the web designer team. The 10th floor is supporting more of the voice, the creative services. If there's one thing that I could describe, Personiv's culture is really, we treat each other as a family.
The atmosphere here is really like being with family.
The thing that makes Personiv unique is that when you walk into the office, you will find people who are very happy in what we're doing, and there's a sense of fulfillment in what they do.
When I tell my friends that I work in Personiv, they normally tell me that, is there any opening in your company? I'm Ainsley Limhenko, and I'm Personiv proud.